Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video, the subject matter is how to create a lead magnet that converts. What I want to do is cover steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 that I have prepared on how I do it. And what we want to do is we'll take a look at how we set it up. I'm going to use a program called Sqribble today to set up my content magnet. And if at the end of this video, we created a video that gives you some content that you like, please like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also reach over there and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. So let's move on into the preparing yourself to create a content magnet, and then we'll cover the 4 steps that I go through to create a content magnet. So as we move into creating a content magnet, I want to look at 4 major things and then 4 steps and 4 ideas I had for it, and then we'll show you the next section on how to actually create the content magnet that I picked out using Sqribble. First thing you want to know is something that you need to think about is, why do people come to your site? Why do people come to your YouTube channel? What is it they're looking for? So that would be user intent. Number 2 is you want to look at the attention. What gathers people's attention? Well, solving a problem, providing content that is something that they can use to help them grow their business. The third thing is, why do they come to you? Well, they trust you. They like you. They trust you. You build a relationship with them. And the 4th thing is you want to think about is, what are you leading them into with your content? Are you leading them into success? Once they trust you, you want to give them something that has value. So as we look at that, we'll look at steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So step 1 would be decide that you pick a niche that solves a problem, that fulfills a desire. Your niche, whatever it is you've picked, probably has some problems that need to be solved, and you have a desire to help them solve their problem. So the user comes to you, they give you need to give them quick solutions or instant gratification. If they put in a keyword phrase like large sore pimples, like right here, then you want to give them something that instant gratification that can help them with large sore pimples, because they're looking for a way around that. Next, you want to figure out, whether it be through writing or a video, whatever your strength is in providing content, your content magnet will be something that you're comfortable providing, that you're not going to have to spend forever doing it because you already have a comfort level. You probably already have some research done on it, or you have a intellect that can write and create something, whatever it might be. We'll talk about that in a second. And 4th, you need then to take the action to create the lead magnet. So that's your 4 steps. Next is we're going to look and hone this in on what I'm going to be doing. I had a site at one point in time called Acme Be Gone. A big problem is that people have large sore pimples. I then would figure out a way to help them with that. I'd write an article about that, my experience with that. Then I'd say, find a product that we could sell to them that would help them solve their problem. And like I said, then I had articles that I wrote about that to help them, to help sell the product. And then I'm going to use a platform called Sqribble, which is up here in the corner. I'm going to use Sqribble to help create the content magnet. We're going to move into how I did this and what I did to prepare myself for this, and how we go through, and the information I needed will be provided because I have it already prepared in another document. I already have this document prepared. There's already content in here that I need that'll be provided in the program here to create the content magnet I've decided on. Your content magnet will probably either be a problem-solving PDF or a checklist of some sort that they can check off so they know they're on track to creating a problem, or it could be creating a video to explain and help them figure out how to solve their problem. So let's move on into the next step. We're going to go through Sqribble and actually create a content magnet that solves a problem for our customers and our viewers that came to our site. Okay, so we're going to create our content lead magnet now. We're in Sqribble. The program I said I was going to create this in. I'm going to create a new project. And what's going to come up is, first we're going to have to pick out a template and identify it. Okay, so here's a bunch of the templates that you can pick and choose from. So I think we'll, let's just pick this one here. Okay, this shows you what it looks like. Click out of it. So we'll say use this one. Project name. Okay, content lead magnet. And that's what we need to do. Is they recommend using freehand editor, so we'll say next. Okay, we're going to grab from a URL. So we want to grab content from a URL and click that off. There's other ways you can do it. Word text. So we're just going to pick that. Now, I have to copy and paste in the URL that I want in here. Okay, and I have a bunch of articles that I'm putting together in 4 articles I had on a site called Acme Be Gone, something like that. I'm just going to say finish, and then this is going to work. Okay, so it's done now. It created, all the content's been pulled in. Now there's going to be a lot of editing, but I'm not going to bother to do that at the moment. But you can click on this and edit and make this numbers and make all the pages look the way you want, but all the content's in here. The only thing we're going to do here is I'm going to get rid of the for dummies here on the top. And okay, Michael Walden's. So, and probably make this a little bit. So just click on this sprocket, and this comes out here to the side. We'll just make the font size a little bit smaller. And then the color matches up fine. We can see it. And then we'll get this here, which is from the site I'm on at the moment. Okay. Now, I think we'll also line this in the center. Okay. So there's it is. Now, what we can do up here is we can save and exit, or save and then publish. We're just going to say publish. So I just finished editing, and I downloaded this to a PDF file. This project right here, Michael Walden's Acne No More Review. So that's set to go for a content magnet. Now, the content magnet, let's look at where this is going to fit in with your business. We'll look at that next. So you see the lead magnet that we're talking about today is this right here. Okay, this is what you're going to be getting once you've gotten their email address, and the email address you have you can use for selling other future acne skin purchases that you'll promote. You have your original site, acnebegone.com. You have a link in here that sends them for this product here. But first, you take them to the landing page that we created the other day. Then that landing page drives them to the product sales page, which is going to be gotten to after you've promised them the lead magnet. So the landing page gives them and promises them this lead magnet, this PDF that you wrote about Acne No More. And then once they receive that, they're also going to be sent to purchase the product right here. So you're going to make money on this. They're going to get value from this free PDF. You're going to get their email address for future product that you can send emails to them for buying future products that you promote from Acne Be Gone. So that's how it works. This is what we just created, this free gift. And after they use the landing page concept that we talked about in the previous video. And then you'll be selling as an affiliate marketer. Michael Walden's Acne No More from ClickBank. So that's it. That's how the funnel works. And we'll move on to finishing up the video, how to create a lead magnet. So in this video, we created a lead magnet, Michael Walden's Acne No More review. We took 4 articles from a website and we put them into a PDF. And what this lead magnet is going to be used for now is for a free gift from an acne site. And so we hope this helped you out. It was a bare bones teaching aspect, gave you the reasons why, how to be prepared, and use Sqribble was one of the platforms that I used that we created the lead magnet from. And then we went through the explanation with Funnelytics to show you how the funnel works. So that just gives you an overview of how you can create a lead magnet that'll convert, because this free gift people will submit their email address for, and then they'll be taken to purchase the product that you've just reviewed in the page that the original link came from. I hope this video helped you out today. If you liked the video, please give us a large thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also reach over there and hit the bell icon. Tap it a couple times firmly so that you get notified every time we have a new video to our channel. And I'd just like to remind you that there's a link down in the description for some great free training. And that's the same training that I've used to build my business with. It put me on the right track and has helped me build my business and keep my head squared. If you'd like to get access to that free training today, just click on the link. It's available today. Start today. Don't put it off. Don't procrastinate. And we appreciate you viewing the video today. And thank you, and so long.